Hello, Wildcat families. Welcome to the 2018-19 school year. We are so happy that you are part of our fantastic school community. This Thursday, September 13th, from 5:30 until 7 p.m. is our school open house. We hope to see you at this great event. All of our teachers will be in their classrooms. They can't wait to meet you. I know the kids are excited to show you their classroom and how fantastic our school is. This will be a meet and greet time, so there isn't a presentation time. Just stop in somewhere between 5:30 and 7. Say hello. And we would just love to have you. We will have some informational tables in the hallways, PTO, Boy Scouts. We will have samples of our cookie dough from our fundraiser that we're starting this week. Other information that you may need will be available at Open House. We hope to see you on Thursday. Thank you so much. And our teachers have also made videos. And so we'll be sending those links to you so you can learn more about each classroom and all the different grade levels here at Wageenka. Have a great night. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see your family on Thursday.